Channel NITT viewers, I'm DS, your psychologist, and welcome to another episode on Channel NITT. In this episode, we're going to start our Psychometrics 101 series. So what do you expect to learn? So I'll be dividing Psychometrics into very simple bite-sized lessons where everyone, including non-psychology students, can also understand the different concepts of psychometrics. Even if you are not a psychology student, I would think that psychometrics is something that will be useful for you because it will help you in data analysis. Today we'll do some introduction about the concept of reliability. So a lot of times, whether you are a psychologist or a scientist, you will need to make measurements. So there are physical quantities that are easy to measure. For example, if you want to measure length, you can use a ruler. If you want to measure temperature, you can use a thermometer. How do we know that an instrument is reliable? One keyword that we can use to understand reliability is consistency. Take for example, if you want to measure the length between point A and point B over here, you can use a ruler. You make a first measurement, presume you get 8.9 cm, and you measure again, and you get 8.9 cm again. Then we say that the results are consistent. If you keep measuring and you keep getting the same results, then there is consistency. The ruler, hence, is a reliable instrument in measuring this length. Of course, in the olden times, maybe there are no rulers. We may use our fingers to measure this length. Then, different people have different lengths between their fingers. Then, this measurement is unreliable. Or rather, this method of measurement is unreliable. When physical quantities are concerned, we would really expect that instruments be reliable. So consistency may or may not have anything to do with accuracy. If your weighing machine or your weighing scale is somehow damaged and it always measures 20 kg lighter than what is actually placed on it, then the first measurement could be 53, the second measurement could be 52.9. We would still say that the results are consistent, therefore it is reliable, but it is not accurate. When psychology is concerned, we tend to measure constructs or concepts that are not physical. So examples of things that psychologists may measure will be like love, stress, intelligence, and personality. In order for us to measure this, we would need instruments. So for example, we have stress scales, we have IQ tests, and we have personality tests. So if any of these instruments are reliable, then they would consistently give us the same result. Just like when we use a ruler to measure length, it will consistently give us the same result. So I hope that this lesson gives you some idea what reliability is. It is different from accuracy. It is how consistent the results are. So in our next short lesson, we will be talking about the theoretical concept of reliability. So viewers and psychology students, if you are interested in psychometrics, do consider subscribing if you have not already subscribed, so that we can bring you more psychometrics and fun stuff. Okay, I'm going to sign off now and I'll see you in our next episode. Bye bye.